Legendary food is often sought after by many people because the legendary will attract attention, starting from snacks to heavy meals. This Sunday afternoon, Syarul Arifin will invite you to explore and taste various legendary foods in Malang, from lumpia to tahu telur lontong. What do you think? Here is the report especially for you. Not only is it known for its beautiful tourist spots and as a city of education, Malang is also famous for its culinary delights. Not a few people who like to look for legendary foods, both residents of its city itself and sightseers. This is because the legendary food has its own reasons why it still survives to this day, whether it's because of the consistency of the delicious taste or something else that made it a legend. So these are the legendary foods in Malang. Located in Midtown, Kiai Haji Ahmad Dahlan Street number 10, Malang, Depot Hoklai is a legendary place to taste lumpia Semarang in Malang. Depot Hoklai still maintains the shape of the building to this day. If changed later, there will be no different from the others. The customers are happy with it. Depot Hoklai was established in 1946, 1 year after Indonesian independence, opened from 9 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. and opened again from 5 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Depot Hoklai is famous for lumpia or spring rolls, and this drink is a classic Indonesian beverage called badak. Lumpia, or sometimes pronounced as lumpia, is a food made from a mixture of vegetables and chicken wrapped in lumpia wrapper. This beverage is called badak and sometimes called an Indonesian root beer. Lumpia and badak are priced at 22,000 rupiahs and 25,000 rupiahs respectively. This is definitely the best lumpia in town. I like how crispy the lumpia is, and the filling is full and tasty. Eating with the sauce, chili, and spring onion is a perfect combination. The taste of badak is unique. It has a strong smell, but it tastes really good. Now I know why this menu is the best-selling menu in this place.
Karena baru pertama kali sih hari ini datang, terus menurut saya kayaknya lumpianya enak sih. Rasanya kayak khas gitu. Kayak masih kerasa vibes zaman dahulunya. Menurut saya biasanya kalau tempat-tempat Chinese tuh mereka tuh kayak keturunan gitu, jadi masih berlanjut sampai sekarang. 4.
Sama, saya juga baru pertama kali kesini, tapi menurut saya pribadi mungkin karena baru tahu ada menu yang namanya nasi pancawarna, itu menurut saya enak sih. Rasanya kalau yang dijelasin dari teman-teman itu mungkin karena kayak mie pangsit, tapi ini mie-nya diganti nasi, jadi menurut saya ya 11-12 sama pangsit lah sebenarnya. Mungkin kalau menurut saya pribadi yang pertama itu karena yaitu tadi keturunan. Terus yang kedua mungkin setiap depot-depot di depot-depot Chinese food ini punya rasa yang otentik gitu loh, sehingga membuatkan banyak orang akhirnya kayak ya istilahnya di pelanggan di situ. Itu mungkin karena jadinya kenapa bisa bertahan lebih lama itu 4,5 sih.
Sejauh ini itu sih bakmoy, nasi bakmoy. Enak sih, mungkin ada satu rasa yang jadi ciri khas dari depot ini mungkin ya, jadi beda dengan yang lain. Kalau itu sendiri saya juga kurang tahu, cuma yang pasti kalau di Kota Malang terutama kan terkenalnya juga karena kulinernya juga ya. Terus banyak juga kuliner yang udah lama dan orang-orang itu sudah ada namanya gitu loh, jadi turun temurun orang-orang udah tahu, kayak misal oh itu Hoklai. Jadi tahunya mungkin dari situ aja sih. Terus karena setiap restoran juga punya ciri khasnya masing-masing. 4.
I'm with these people. I'd like to give it 5 out of 5. It's perfect. Day turns to night. Eating comfort food seems like the right thing to do. I'll take you to Marta Dinata Street number 66 Malang to try tahu telur lontong. Depot Tahu Lonceng has been operating since 1935. open from 10:45 a.m. to 10 p.m. Depot Tahu Lonceng is a hereditary family business. The price rate is from 11,000 to 13,000 rupiahs. Even though the place is small, but they have regular customers, eating tahu telur lontong with es jeruk is something that fits. I think you should try it. I like the taste. The peanut sauce is rich and the texture of the lontong is perfect, and I like this is egg. I like it. I'd like to give it 4 out of 5. Overall, I like it.
Untuk rasa makanannya seperti tahu telur atau tahu lontong pada umumnya, tetapi mereka memiliki rasa yang sedikit autentik atau unik karena mereka mempertahankan rasa yang sudah ada dari dulu gitu ya. Jadi saya suka sih, terus lengkap untuk isiannya seperti ada kerupuknya, itu yang paling penting. Kalau menurut saya tempat ini selalu ada sampai sekarang itu karena mereka nggak pindah tempat ya, jadi dari dulu itu emang udah ada di sini, jadi orang mudah untuk mencarinya. Selain itu rasa yang diberikan itu tetap sama seperti sebelum-sebelumnya, jadi cita rasanya tidak berubah dan menurut saya itu sangat bagus. Kalau untuk rate makanan 1-5 mungkin saya kasih 4 ya.
That's all for the legendary foods in Malang that I suggest to you. There are lumpia and tahu telur lontong. I hope it will help you to keep the options for the culinary thing if you are in Malang. Which one do you want to try? Syarul Arifin in Malang.